Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel on YouTube, right? So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. What you want to do, you want to head over to youtube.com and you want to ensure that you sign into your YouTube account. So you'll find the sign in button on the uppermost right hand side. And once you sign in, just go ahead and click your profile picture on the uppermost right hand side. Then you want to go down to where you have settings here and click on that. From here on the left hand side, click on advanced. And if you look here, you will find the option that says delete YouTube channel. So you want to go ahead and click on that and it will ask you to enter your password. So you go ahead and enter that password and continue with the steps to delete the YouTube channel. You'll get two options that said if you really want to delete the channel, you can also restore it. So you'll go ahead and choose the option that is right for you and continue with deleting the YouTube channel. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.